Only 5 minutes extra sleep. Introduction. Many people think that taking only 5 extra minutes of sleep is not a big problem. It feels harmless. The body feels tired, the bed feels comfortable, and the mind says, just 5 minutes more. At that moment, it feels like a small decision. But this small decision quietly controls the whole day. When the alarm rings, it is not only a signal to wake up. It is a test of discipline. It asks one simple question: will you follow your plan, or will you follow comfort? Most people do not realize that daily success depends on such small moments. 5 minutes may not change one day, but it can change many days together. Extra sleep often makes people late. Being late creates hurry. Hurry creates stress. Stress reduces focus. Slowly, the day becomes heavy and unproductive. Instead of feeling fresh, the person feels tired, confused, and unhappy. Over time, this becomes a habit. The mind learns to delay actions. Laziness grows silently. Waking up on time is not about strict rules or punishment. It is about self-control and self-respect. When you wake up at the decided time, you send a strong message to your mind: I keep my promises to myself. This builds confidence and inner strength. This guide is written in simple language to help you understand why those extra 5 minutes matter so much. Each lesson will explain one clear idea and guide you step by step. The goal is not pressure, but awareness. Once you understand the value of small discipline, change becomes easier. Remember, big success is built on small daily habits. Respecting time in the morning is the first step toward a disciplined, healthy, and meaningful life. Lesson 1. Small decisions shape your life. Life does not change suddenly. It changes slowly through small daily decisions. One of the smallest but most powerful decisions is whether to wake up on time or take extra sleep. This decision repeats every day, and repetition creates habits. When you choose extra sleep, you are teaching your mind that comfort is more important than commitment. This thinking does not stay limited to sleep. It enters work, health, and personal goals. You start delaying tasks, avoiding effort, and choosing easy options. On the other hand, waking up on time builds discipline. Discipline is the ability to act even when you do not feel like acting. Each morning, when you get up on time, you strengthen this ability. Slowly, it becomes natural. Think of habits like a path. Every time you make the same choice, the path becomes clearer. 5 extra minutes today make it easier to take 10 minutes tomorrow. But waking up on time today makes it easier tomorrow as well. Guide yourself by respecting small decisions. Do not wait for big motivation. Motivation comes after action. Make a simple rule and follow it daily. Small discipline creates big results over time. Lesson 2. Extra sleep confuses the mind. Many people believe that more sleep always means more energy. This is not always true. When you sleep beyond your fixed wake-up time, your body enters another sleep cycle. Waking up during this cycle makes you feel tired and lazy. This is why extra sleep often causes headache, slow thinking, and bad mood. Instead of feeling fresh, you feel heavy. Your focus reduces, and simple tasks feel difficult. The mind takes longer to become active. A fixed sleep and wake-up time trains the body clock. The body learns when to rest and when to wake up. After some days, you start waking up naturally, even before the alarm. This brings real freshness. The guide here is simple. Do not chase extra sleep. Chase quality sleep. Sleep on time at night. Wake up on time in the morning. This balance keeps the mind sharp and active. Mental clarity is more valuable than extra minutes of sleep. Protect your mind by respecting your routine. Lesson 3. Discipline builds strength. Comfort builds weakness. Comfort feels good only for a short time. Discipline feels hard at first, but it gives long-term strength. Choosing to wake up on time is a daily practice of discipline. When you always choose comfort, your tolerance for effort reduces. Small tasks feel big. Challenges feel scary. Life starts controlling you. But when you choose discipline, you gain control over your actions. Discipline does not mean harshness. It means caring about your future self. It means doing today what will help you tomorrow. Comfort thinks about now. Discipline thinks about growth. Guide yourself with clear rules. Do not negotiate with your alarm. Stand up immediately. Wash your face. Move your body. Action breaks laziness. Each disciplined morning adds strength to your character. Over time, this strength reflects in all areas of life. Remember, comfort relaxes you for minutes, but discipline supports you for years. Lesson 4. The morning controls the whole day. The morning is the foundation of the day. A weak morning creates a weak day. A strong morning creates a strong day. When you wake up late, you rush. You skip important things. Your mind stays stressed. You react to situations instead of controlling them. This leads to mistakes and regret. When you wake up on time, you gain space. Space to think. Space to plan. Space to breathe. This calm beginning improves decision-making and mood. A good morning routine does not need many activities. Simple steps are enough. Wake up, drink water, stretch, and plan the day. Avoid checking your phone immediately. Guide your mornings with intention. Protect this time. The way you begin decides how you end the day. Lesson 5. Respecting time builds self-respect. Time is life's most valuable resource. Once lost, it never returns. Losing 5 minutes daily may feel small, but over months, it becomes hours of wasted life. When you respect time, you respect yourself. You show that your goals matter. This builds confidence and self-belief. People who succeed value time deeply. They understand that discipline with time creates freedom later. Lazy habits create stress and regret. At night, disciplined people sleep peacefully. They feel satisfied. Lazy people sleep with guilt. Guide yourself to treat time carefully. Start by respecting your wake-up time. This small respect will grow into self-respect. Lesson 6. Practical steps to wake up on time. Change becomes easier when steps are simple. First, sleep at a fixed time. Late nights cause late mornings. Control the night to control the morning. Second, place your alarm away from the bed. This forces you to stand up. Standing breaks sleep instantly. Third, fix a clear reason. Know why you want to wake up on time: health, peace, success, or self-growth. Strong reasons defeat weak habits. Fourth, be patient with yourself. If you fail one day, do not quit. Start again the next day. Consistency is more important than perfection. Finally, reward yourself with calm mornings. Enjoy silence, fresh air, or planning time. Let your brain connect early waking with positivity. Guide your habits gently but firmly. Soon, 5 minutes will no longer control you, you will control your time and your life.